Hi, I'm John Hill. Do you need a new truck now, and your council just wants to wait and do nothing? Today, fire departments are challenged to provide a financial as well as an operational justification to convince their boards to buy. We'll look at a fire department in just this situation. We'll even run the numbers to show how this department could change the decision.
The Green Forest Fire Department needs a new truck now. They requested the funds, but the council would not budget the purchase and just closed the door on the discussion. So what could the Green Forest Fire Department do differently? First, they could show the council that doing nothing is not free. Second, they could show the council how much it costs to do nothing. Finally, they could break the purchase decision into smaller pieces. Doing nothing has the cost of lost buying power, which is a fancy way of saying that you pay more for the truck in the future. It's important to show the council how much doing nothing actually costs. Buying power calculator helps make this math very simple. The $300,000 truck the Green Forest Fire Department wants will go up about 4% a year. That means the truck will cost about $37,000 more in 3 years, about $65,000 more in 5 years, $95,000 a year in 7 years, and will cost almost half as much again in 10 years. And finally, big financial decisions are easier to make when you break them down into small pieces. Every fire truck purchase has 3 components. First, you justify the purchase, then you budget the purchase, and finally you learn how to pay for the purchase. You can improve your chances of justifying your fire truck purchase with the free Fire Truck Justification Kit. Just go to this website today.